How to add template to Notion. In this video, I'm going to show how you can add template in Notion app. First, make sure that you have downloaded Notion on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and open Notion. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this home page, and to add new template to Notion, simply click on this browse templates option here. Here you can find different types of template that you can use on your project, or you can also search for the template that you like according to your lifestyle. For example, if you want to create a new template related to your work, simply click on this work option. There you can find different free templates. Now click on the template that you like. After that, on the top right corner, you can see this use template option. Click on use template. So this is how you can add template to Notion. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.